In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your microphone if it's not working on Discord. If you've been struggling with this issue, don't worry. I'm here to walk you through some effective solutions to get your mic up and running again on Discord. First, let's make sure your microphone is properly connected to your computer or device. Double-check that the cable is securely plugged in, and if you're using a headset or external mic, try reconnecting it or using a different USB port. Sometimes, the issue can be as simple as a loose connection or a faulty port, so this quick check can save you a lot of hassle. Next, let's move into Discord itself. Open up Discord and click on the settings gear icon located at the bottom left of your window near your username. This will open the user settings menu. From here, navigate to the Voice and Video tab. Now, you'll want to look for the option labeled Input Device. Click the drop-down menu and select the microphone you want to use. If you have multiple microphones, make sure you're selecting the right one, as Discord may not pick it by default. Once you've selected your mic, it's a good idea to test if Discord is registering sound from it. In the same Voice and Video menu, find the Mic Test section with the Let's Check button. Speak into your microphone. If Discord can hear you, the input bar will light up. If it doesn't, continue with the following troubleshooting steps. Make sure your input volume is turned up. Sometimes it's set too low to pick anything up. Just slide the volume bar for input volume to the right for better sensitivity. Additionally, verify that your mic isn't muted either on the device itself or within Discord. Look for the microphone icon next to your username on the bottom left. If there's a slash through it, click to unmute it. Now, let's check your computer's privacy settings, especially if you're on Windows. Go to your computer's settings and under Privacy, look for Microphone Settings. Ensure that apps, including Discord, have permission to access your microphone. Without these permissions, no settings change in Discord will make your mic work. If you still can't get your microphone to work after all these steps, try restarting both Discord and your computer. Sometimes, a simple restart is all it takes to clear up software glitches. Finally, make sure your device drivers are up to date. Outdated audio drivers can sometimes prevent your microphone from working correctly in Discord. Visit your device manufacturer's website to download the latest audio drivers, or use your operating system's update tool. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most microphone issues on Discord. I hope these tips help you get back to chatting with your friends. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tech solutions. Thanks for watching.